Good morning. Wishing everyone a healthy, happy day wherever you are. I'm going to encourage you to get out into nature. That's my great teacher. Get some grounding done. Get outside. Enjoy Mother Nature. It's probably the best way to commune spiritually that I know of. It's not inside a church. It's not inside a dogma or a doctrine. It's right outside in beautiful Mother Nature. And I've got a beautiful day here. I'm gonna pan around so you can see what's going on here. Nothing like the sound of a flowing stream to balance the emotions in the heart. So again, get outside. Hope you have as beautiful a view as I do. Have a great day.